Alright, boys. We got another video for you motherfuckers. It's about to be another G37 POV drive. POV drive. Y'all hear that G37 roar? Cause I did. I think I did. If you G37s, G37x's, no, you know. Once I come to a complete stop, let that bitch pop and then let it go. Yep. Yeah. If you know about that, you know. G37 time. Alright, boys. I gotta change my mic. Alright, boys. We back, boys. We back. If you hear that goddamn rattle, that's my motherfucking, that's motherfucker, oh. The rattle is from the heat shield. It's from the heat shield. That's where it's from. It's from the heat shield, so. If you guys hear that rattle right now, it's from the heat shield, just FYI. It's laying right on top of that fucking back muffler. Yeah, I'm pissed. But yeah, that's what it is. Yo, why did these cheap ass tires low key catch? My old tires would have fucking burned up trying to catch that. Good for these cheap ass tires. I paid $50 per tire. I think I was charged $100. Yeah, for some used tires for 245 by 17s, I believe. I don't know shit about tires. That's why I just said that. So if you didn't know I didn't know about tires and you just heard that, you would know now. Cause I don't know shit about tires. I hope the wide spectrum mic changes how it sounds, because I think the first one didn't sound good. Or maybe I need a goddamn mic. Oh, that should have pissed me off. Or you know what I could do low key? Take my PC mic and put it on my goddamn laptop and record the audio on that. I could do that, but that's like so far, so yeah. I hate when you get stuck behind a formation of 4. Like, goddamn, why are the Super Rangers in front of me? The fuck? Yesterday I beat a Supra, no cap, I swear to God. I don't know what was wrong with the Supra. Or maybe he was just playing with me, more likely, because there's just no way. But that did happen. But majority of the time I just be like, this car is so fucking slow. Like, now I do, but it's still fast, so it surprised me. When I get into race, what the fuck? I know y'all just seen that. God damn, this shit's so bouncy, guys. I'm sorry for that bouncy. Damn, I need a stabilizer. That shit just looks bumpy. I gotta keep my head still. But I can't. It's not. Look at the Camaro. Downtown Minneapolis, woo! If you are not from Minneapolis watching this video, what do you think about Minneapolis? Do you think it like looks different, looks like crazy? Because like I always think about that, how like Minneapolis probably looks like home to me, but to a random motherfucker, this probably like from a nigga from Chicago or like LA, this shit probably look crazy. Like this just don't look like all shit. I don't know what's going on up here. State trooper. Oh, he just there to protect them. Hopefully you don't see this shit on my head. Cause I'm getting booked. I'm getting booked. Oh my god, and one thing about Minneapolis, it's always gonna be traffic right here for no fucking reason. People just get scared of the turn and slow down way back here, and then we get traffic that's like 2 miles back there for no reason, bro. Like look, nothing is right here, right? People are just scared to go in this tunnel. And it's like, you can slow down at the last moment, dude. Like, you don't gotta slow down 2 miles back. Like, what the bro? I don't know. Look at the S600. Nice. Oh, she looks boozy. She is a boozy heifer. Tunnel runs, let's go. I love a tunnel run. Was that my transmission? I have to watch that back. I feel like my transmission has been fucking up, I'm not gonna lie. But we'll watch that back, because I swear, I think last night I fucked my shit up while I was racing. But I don't know why it would be fucking up. My favorite side of Minneapolis is the north side, though. I know people, it's good. I literally don't care. It's so expressive of who people are, and that's why I like North Minneapolis. Oh, it's so packed. I'm gonna park right here in the video, though, boys. Well, that's gonna be the end of this video. We're gonna go to the farmer's market. Alright, you boys have a good day.